come and eat the tree. Eat the tree like a giraffe. Is it delicious? Yes, it's yummy for a giraffe. Yes. Julie, stand up. Okay, everybody. What is this? A peacock? No, this isn't a peacock. Bird. Everyone say this is a bird. What is it doing? What is this called? Flying. Everyone say the bird is flying. One more time. The bird is flying. Okay, everybody put out your wings. Say I am flying. Good job. Everybody flying. Okay, back over to the tree. Everyone say, this is a monkey. Good. Where does a monkey live? In a tree. Say, in a tree. Okay, everybody, arms out like a monkey. Say, I am a monkey. What does a monkey eat? Banana. What color is a banana?
Yellow.
Yellow. Say, give me a banana. Say, I want a banana. Louder, I want a banana. Good job, okay. Uh-oh. What's about to get the monkey? What is this? Snake. Say, this is a snake. Everybody, what does a snake sound like? A snake sounds like an S. A snake sounds like an S. Everybody make a S sound. Alex, make an S sound. Everybody say snake. Snake. Say snake. Snake. Good job. Okay, what's in the corner behind the snake?
Dog.
Dog. Does the dog look happy?
Yes.
Yes. Would you be happy if you were with a snake?
No.
No. What would you be? Would you be mad?
Yes.
No. At a snake? You'd be mad. You'd be sad. Everyone say, the dog is sad. Good. Okay, come over here. What are these? All of these. What are these? Say, everyone say, these are beetles. Good. Do you like beetles? Do you like beetles? Who likes beetles? Raise your hand. Yes, you like them? Yes? No. Say, I like beetles. Everyone else say, Alex, say, I don't like beetles. Good job. Alex, you too. Say, I don't like beetles.
I don't like beetles.
Good. Okay, everybody, next to the beetles.